Shopify ads to drive more traffic. Hello, welcome, and thanks for choosing this video course. In this video, we're going to talk about Shopify apps to drive more traffic. Shopify is quite a bit different than most platforms out there, and we learned a lot along the way. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get through it, you'll find it's one of the best platforms you've ever had the pleasure of developing for. Shopify is not WordPress. Most of us web developer types have dabbled in WordPress plugins at some point. Anything you've learned about hooks, actions, or filters, forget it when it comes to Shopify apps. Unlike WordPress, with Shopify, your app code will never run on a client server. Shopify is a central platform that provides an interface for apps via an HTTP-based API. Using an HTTP API may sound like a limitation, but it's good. You never have to care about what version of WordPress the store has running or any weird internal server bugs. Any communication between your app and the client store can be kept to an absolute minimum. As Shopify's API is HTTP-based, you can use any language. To make things simpler, there are libraries available in a number of languages, including PHP, Ruby, and Node. Liquid. If you haven't heard of Liquid before, it's a templating language that Shopify invented in 2006. Since then, it's been adopted by many companies and open-source projects including Jekyll, Locomotive, Desk.com, and Google. The syntax is crazy simple. It can be used to read a huge amount of data on any given page and is made available for your apps. It's okay to ask customers to copy and paste code, just not too much. Shopify store owners are completely used to this, but expect that you might need to help them a little on the way. Use the Embedded App SDK. It may be a long name that's hard to say quickly, but the Embedded App SDK, EASDK, is really good. Introduced at the start of 2014, the EASDK allows you to run your app within the Shopify admin. The code is still running on your server, but it's loaded inside an iframe in the admin of each store. To the store owner, it feels like your app is part of Shopify. That's not all, though. Shopify also provides you with standardized JavaScript UI elements, such as loading messages, models, navigation buttons, alerts. Not only does this make your app design more consistent with the main Shopify admin, it also makes things simpler for you as you don't have to create the UI elements yourself. Reviews are everything. Reviews are great for 3 reasons. 1, Shopify will rank your app higher in the store. The ranking algorithm is based on the number of stores installing the app and, most importantly, the number of positive reviews the app has received recently. 2, store owners will trust you. Reviews are customer testimonials, and the more positive reviews you have, the more people who will install your app. Unlike regular customer testimonials on websites, reviews on Shopify have a lot more credibility because, well, they can't be faked. 3, Shopify will feature you. If your app is new and innovative with a few positive reviews, the Shopify team are great at helping to promote you. Offer world-class support. If your app does anything more than the simplest of tasks, chances are some Shopify store owners will have some questions sooner or later. And this is where you really get the chance to shine. Live chat can be a great tool too. If you're using the EASDK as discussed above, it's even better. The store owner can experience your world-class support without even having to leave their Shopify admin. There are some excellent free options, but many of the plugins do come at a price, usually a monthly subscription charge. With minimal investment, though, you'll soon be able to stand shoulder to shoulder with the bigger stores in your niche and offer your customers all of the same options they do, giving you an unlimited potential to bring in the profits. Beware spending too many late nights searching through the App Store for that one killer app, though. If your e-commerce store is going to be successful, you'll need to stay focused on what's most important: selling products. Here's our recommendation. Shop Connection. Your number 1 priority when starting out with your e-commerce business is undoubtedly to attract customers to your online store. Otherwise, it might as well not exist. If you want to attract visitors, you need to be seen on the various social networks. Shop Connection offers one of the simplest ways to connect your store with social networks and encourage customers to share your products there. Their free option allows you to install sharing buttons for the big shopping-focused networks like Pinterest and Tumblr, and you can connect more services if you sign up for their paid option. One of the best features of Shop Connection is smart buttons, which mean each visitor sees the buttons for the sites they are currently logged into first. And you can also set default buttons for those who aren't logged in. The upgrade also adds Follow Us buttons to your order confirmation page. Fliptabify. A powerful Facebook presence could be the thing that propels your store into success. After all, most everyone is hooked on getting their fix from Mark Zuckerberg's brainchild on a daily basis. Fliptabify allows you to showcase your products on the world's biggest social network by installing a tab on your Facebook page, which lets users browse your inventory without having to even visit your site. Their free plan allows for unlimited products and installation on unlimited Facebook pages. You may, however, want to pay for their Power plan, as it allows like gating. This means that certain products can be hidden until browsers like your Facebook page, increasing the chances of customers becoming engaged with your brand and staying in touch. Chimpified. Chimpified seamlessly integrates your store with your MailChimp account. I highly recommend them as an email sender in general, allowing you to target email campaigns at your customer base. This, however, is true integration from the moment they check out to their repeat purchase. Chimpified begins with asking customers to sign up to your mailing list and automatically syncs them to your MailChimp account. From there, the real fun starts. The app lets you craft the perfect email using templates and segment targeting. This can achieve a wide variety of benefits, from encouraging product reviews to announcing sales promotions. And like any great app, pretty much everything can be automated. SEO Meta Manager. Organic search results are where the bulk of your potential leads are likely to come from. Unfortunately, the first impression that search engines provide to browsers is what web crawler decides to show them. These bots are not perfect. Your page description and titles in search engine results pages, SERPs, can be taken out of context or have key information missing or just be sloppy. This is where SEO Meta Manager comes in. The app lets you designate the titles and page descriptions for your store that are shown in SERPs. From making changes yourself, such as promoting free delivery, you're almost guaranteed to increase your click-through rate. This is a critical benefit because SERPs are often the very start of the conversion funnel. Now, let's continue to the remaining apps recommendations. Plug-in SEO. So your new store launch has gone down well, but you're struggling to maintain a steady stream of organic customers? You've probably looked into SEO only to have been bewildered by thousands of articles, all with different recommendations on how to improve store performance. Plug-in SEO cuts out the crap. The app simply tells you what to change within your store. If you check out the reviews, you will see that plug-in SEO is loved by store owners for its 100% bespoke recommendations. Retail Tower. Comparison shopping used to be for the buyer with great tools like Retail Tower. Now you can compare and sell on popular channels suited to your products. Retail Tower offers a seamless integration between your shop and shopping comparison engines through automated feed submission in engines like Amazon, Google, The Find, and a dozen others. Starting with a free offer, channel your energies into your shop while Retail Tower does channel shopping for you. Tidio Live Chat. With Tidio Live Chat, you can add a live chat window on your Shopify store so your site visitors can easily contact you. Customers can easily contact you if they have questions during their shopping. Best thing with Tidio is that you can monitor the visitors' browsing activity in real time and also the pages they're visiting the most. Tidio offers mobile apps as well, so you can talk to the customers anytime using your mobile phone. Sometimes customers have questions regarding payment options, discounts, or anything about the product that they may want to ask when they're on your site. And if they find it easier to connect to someone using live chat, then they will complete the purchase. Yotpo Product Reviews. Yotpo review apps help in getting your product reviewed easily from your customers. Having reviews on products increases the trustworthiness of your store. A site that has reviews gets more sales as visitors mostly purchase from a site having reviews. This app is helpful in many ways, like it sends email to every customer after a few weeks of the purchase and asks them to review the product. The best part of the app is that it allows customers to leave the review right from their email as well, so it increases the chances to get the product reviewed. The feedback will be added to corresponding products directly. The reviews can be shared on social media as well.